हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे न्यूमेरिकल डिफरेंशिएशन एंड इंटीग्रेशन। इसमें क्या होता है, फंक्शन की वैल्यू टेबुलर फॉर्म में दी हुई है, तो हमें क्या फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन निकालना होगा। तो कैसे निकालेंगे? टेबुलर फॉर्म में फंक्शन की डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्स पे उसकी वैल्यू दी हुई। सो वी assume that a function fx is given in a tabular form at a set of n plus 1 distinct point. Okay, distinct points. Suppose x0, x1, x2, xn. Okay, from the given tabular data we require approximation to derivative suppose fr of x dash some point x dash are greater equal to 1, where x dash may be tabular or not. Okay, और नॉन टेबुलर पॉइंट मतलब ये टेबल में गिवन होगा या उसी पॉइंट के कहीं बीच में निकालना होगा डिफरेंशिएशन। नॉन टेबुलर ये कहीं भी निकालना हो। Suppose the value of function at xi and xi plus 1, let suppose the values of function at xi and xi plus 1 are fxi and fxi plus 1. Okay, then we can write, then from forward difference formula derivative of function, first derivative at xi is written as fxi minus fxi minus 1 divided by xi plus 1 minus fxi, okay, divided by xi plus 1 minus xi. Okay, this is also written like this, yi plus 1 minus yi divided by xi plus 1 minus xi. Okay, suppose this type of points, this is xi, this is the xi plus 1, and this is the xi minus 1. Okay, so in the next step, backward difference formula okay, in terms of backward difference, derivative of function at point xi, which is equal to fxi minus fxi minus 1 divided by xi minus 1, which is written as yi minus 1 xi minus xi minus 1. Okay, second one. And third one, central difference formula function, derivative of function, first derivative at xi, which is equal to fxi plus 1 minus f of xi minus 1 divided by xi plus 1 minus xi minus 1, which is also written in terms of yi plus 1 minus yi minus 1, xi plus 1 minus xi minus 1. Okay, is it clear? In the next step, from Taylor polynomial formula, we can also find this derivative. So let me show how. From Taylor formula, Taylor's polynomial. Okay, so fx plus h, which is equal to fx plus h f dash x plus h square factorial 2 f double dash x plus x h cube factorial 3 f triple dash x plus dot dot dot. Okay, from here we can write h minus fx divided by h plus order of h square term. Okay, this we can neglect, then we get truncation error. Okay, so this is the formula for f dash x by Taylor's polynomial. Okay, so one thing, what is truncation error? In numerical analysis and scientific computation, truncation error is the error made by truncating an infinite sum, okay, and approximating it by a finite term, finite sum. Okay, similarly, from Taylor's polynomial, we can also write fx minus h is equal to fx, okay, fx minus h f dash x plus h square factorial 2 f double dash x minus h cube factorial 3 f triple dash x, okay, plus dot dot dot, then f dash x in terms of backward difference, which is same as backward difference plus order of h square. We can neglect it, which is truncation error. Again, fx minus h, what we get? Central difference formula of fx plus h minus fx minus h divided by 2h. Okay, so स्टूडेंट हम पिछली क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं न्यूटन फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंस फार्मूला. So what was that? Newton forward difference formula, fa plus xh is equal to fa plus x forward difference fa plus x minus 1 divided by factorial 2 second difference plus x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by factorial 3 third difference plus dot dot dot. Okay, so how to find derivative if we have the functional value in tabular form? So here I will show how to find first differentiating with respect to x and put x is equal to 0, we obtain what we get. Finally, we get h f dash of a after putting x is equal to 0. First we differentiate, then after put x is equal to 0, then we will get this one. Forward difference, first difference, minus 1 by 2 del square fa plus 1 by 3 del q fa, okay, or f dash a first derivative which is equal to 1 by h, okay, del fa minus 1 by 2 del square fa plus 1 by 3 del q fa. Okay, is it clear? Similarly, f double dash a which is equal to 1 by h square, okay, del square fa minus del q fa. Okay, similarly, third derivative, how to find? Integrate, differentiate 3 times, okay, and put x is equal to 0, we will get 1 by hq del q fa. Is it clear? So students, here I use the previous formula to find the derivative of function in tabular form at a given point x is equal to 1.5. So first we create the Newton forward difference table. Okay, so how we create, let me show. Okay, here we use the Newton forward difference formula because the derivative are required at x is equal to 1.5. okay, and this is the point which is in the beginning of the table. Okay, so here we will use Newton forward difference formula. I mean forward difference टेबल का यूज करेंगे. ओके, तो कैसे निकालते हैं टेबल? लेट मी शो. So we have the different point which is equidistance point. Okay, and we have different function value. So how we find first difference del of fx. okay, del of fx कैसे निकालेंगे? नीचे वाले पॉइंट में से ऊपर वाले को माइनस करेंगे. 7 minus 3.375. so what we get? 7.000 minus 3.375. तो हमें मिलेगा 3.625. फिर 13.625 minus 7 which is equal to 6.625. Similarly 10.375 and this one 14.875. okay, similarly 59 minus 38.375. what we get? We will get 20.125. similarly second difference कैसे निकालेंगे? del square effect, वैसे ही इससे ऊपर वाले को माइनस करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 3.000. ओके, सिमिलरली इसको माइनस करेंगे क्या मिलेगा? 3.750. ओके, सिमिलरली 4.500. सिमिलरली 5.2500. ओके, अब थर्ड निकालेंगे. थर्ड डिफरेंस del q effect. so 0.750. this is also 0.750. okay, this is constant. so in next term if you find fourth difference then we will get difference of this one 0. so we will stop here. तो जहाँ पे कांस्टेंट वैल्यू आ जाए वहीं पे रुक जाना है, उसके आगे क्या हो जाएगा? ऑटोमेटिक सारे जीरो हो जाएंगे. माइनस करेंगे तो. So this is the formula, and we have to find derivative at this point 1.5. So we have to use this value. Okay, so function fa is equal to 3.375. That means at x is equal to a, and del of fa, I mean 1.5, we use this value. Similarly this value. Okay, after that all are 0. So what was the formula? Newton, from Newton forward difference formula. क्या था? f of a plus xh, fa plus x del fa plus x minus 1 divided by factorial 2 del square fa. ओके, प्लस डॉट डॉट डॉट. तो इसकी मदद से हम डेरिवेटिव निकाले थे. डेरिवेटिव क्या था? फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव f डैश a इज इक्वल टू क्या? 1.5, जहाँ पे हमें डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. सो 1 बाई h del fa minus 1 by 2 del square fa plus 1 by 3 del cube fa. Okay, is it clear? In the next step, what we have to do, put the value of h. What was h? H means difference, which is equidistant. So h is same for all. H is equal to 0.5. Okay, so put the value of h here. And what is del fa? Sorry, this is fa, this is del fa, this is del square fa, this is del q fa. Okay, so what is the value? 1.01 divided by 0.5 plus del f 1.5 f dash 1.5. Okay, minus 1 by 2 del square f 1.5 plus 1 by 3 del q f 1.5. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 0.5 plus, what is the value of f1? First difference of f1.5 is 3.625 minus 1 by 2 3.000 plus 1 by 3 0.750. Okay, finally we will get 4.750. Okay, similarly f double dash a, which is equal to f double dash 1.5, which is equal to 1 by h square 0.25 del square f 1.5 minus del q f 1.5. Okay, so what we get? 1 by 0.25 3 minus 0.750. So finally we will get 9.00. Okay, this is the second derivative. Similarly, third derivative f triple dash 1.5, which is equal to hq. Hq means what? 0.125. This is del q f 1.5. Okay, so 1.01 divided by 0.125 into 0.750. Okay, so this will come 6.0. so ऐसे ही हम क्या करेंगे? डेरिवेटिव अगर फंक्शन की वैल्यू टेबुलर फॉर्म में दी होगी तो इस फॉर्मूला से भी निकाल सकते हैं, और भी अदर फॉर्मूला है उससे निकाल सकते हैं, जैसे न्यूटन बैकवर्ड डिफरेंस फॉर्मूला, So numerical differentiation when function values is given in tabular form. Okay, is that clear? Similarly, we can use Newton backward and other interpolation formula to find the derivative at certain point. Okay, so स्टूडेंट अभी तक हम देखे कि फंक्शन की वैल्यू टेबुलर फॉर्म में दी होगी तो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन कैसे किसी सर्टेन पॉइंट पे निकालेंगे, फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव, सेकंड डेरिवेटिव एंड सो ऑन. So similarly, we have to find out integration also in if functional value is given in tabular form. So why this is important? In many applications, in science and technology, and engineering, we require to compute the values of the definite integral. Okay, definite integral a b fx. Okay, where fx may be given explicitly or as tabulated data. Okay, because numerical integration is important. Suppose we have the function a b fx dx. ठीक है, तो ये कभी कभी फंक्शन क्या होगा, ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होगा तो न्यूमेरिकली हमको उसको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला यूज करके हम नहीं निकाल सकते. सपोज इसका एंटी डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है तो भी क्या है, न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो वी हैव टू यूज न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेशन. So for overcome this problem, what is integration? Integration is nothing but, suppose we have function like this. Okay, so a to b fx dx means what? This is the a, this is the b. Okay, a to b fx dx means this is y, this is x. A to b fx dx is equal to area in the shaded region. Okay, इंटीग्रेशन का मतलब, डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का मतलब क्या है, यहाँ a to b fx dx means which is equal to area of this region. Okay, similarly in numerical integration, suppose we have function this and we have to find this a, which is suppose x naught, this is x1, x2, x3 and so on. This is xn is equal to b. So इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में बांटेंगे, डॉट डॉट डॉट. ओके, so integration में a to b fx dx में what, sum of area of these strips. Okay, so एरिया, ये जो एरिया जो भी है इसका एरिया निकालने का डिफरेंट वे है, वो हम अगले लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे. तो क्या है वो, हम इससे भी निकाल सकते हैं, ट्रेपेजॉइडल रूल, सेकेंड वन सिम्पसन 1/3 रूल, सिम्पसन 3/8 rule, 3/8, 3/8 rule. Okay, these are the method. From this we can find the area. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.